Ever wondered what gadgets are so cool, they're almost illegal? From slingshots that could outhunt Rambo to license plates that might just help you dodge a speeding ticket. These devices are pushing the boundaries of what's allowed. Buckle up, because this list might just make your next Amazon cart slightly questionable. Number 10. Kimber Pepper Blaster 2, a compact, potent escape tool. The Kimber Pepper Blaster 2 is a potent self-defense tool that fires a concentrated stream of oleoresin capsicum at 90 miles per hour, reaching up to 13 feet. Unlike traditional sprays, its liquid shot ensures accuracy and minimizes wind interference. It delivers 2 powerful shots, making it effective for keeping attackers at a distance. In the US, it's legal in most states, though some, like New York and California, impose size and strength limits. In the UK, pepper spray is classified as a firearm and banned, while Canada restricts human use, allowing only animal deterrents like bear spray. Its power leads to tight regulations worldwide. Number 9. Reviver RP Late, the digital license plate that tracks your car. The Reviver RP Late is a digital license plate that uses e-paper technology to automate vehicle registration, integrate toll payments, and track stolen vehicles via GPS. It allows customizable displays, removing the need for physical registration stickers. Despite its convenience, the RP Late raises privacy concerns as it can track vehicles in real time and potentially be misused to display false license numbers. In the US, it's legal in states like California and Arizona, but adoption is limited due to these concerns. Internationally, stricter privacy laws, especially in the EU, present additional legal challenges for widespread use. Number 8. Mega Knife Defender Knuckle Buster Stun Gun, dual-purpose self-defense. The Mega Knife Defender Knuckle Buster Stun Gun merges brass knuckles with a high-voltage stun gun, making it a powerful dual-purpose self-defense tool. The brass knuckles enhance striking power, while the stun gun delivers an electric shock to incapacitate attackers, ideal for close-quarters defense. However, the legality of such devices varies widely. In the US, brass knuckles are banned in states like California and New York, and stun guns face restrictions in places like Hawaii and Massachusetts. In the UK, both are illegal under the Offensive Weapons Act, and in Australia, they are classified as prohibited weapons. Due to their potential for misuse, this tool is heavily restricted globally. Number 7. WiiPhone, the most customizable phone for tech enthusiasts. The WiiPhone is a modular, customizable phone designed for tech enthusiasts who want full control over their device. Unlike conventional smartphones, it allows users to disassemble components and modify software running on an open-source operating system. This flexibility enables developers to create custom apps and adjust hardware configurations, making it popular among hobbyists. However, its open-source nature raises concerns about potential misuse, such as bypassing security systems. In countries like Germany and France, devices allowing easy modification are tightly regulated. In the US, while the WiiPhone is legal, it must not be used for illegal purposes, such as hacking. Its potential for misuse makes it a target for regulation in regions with strict tech laws. Number 6. Flipper Zero, a hacker's Swiss Army knife. The Flipper Zero is a versatile tool designed for hackers and tech enthusiasts to explore wireless communication and security systems. It interacts with various technologies, including radio frequencies, NFC, RFID, and infrared, allowing users to read, emulate, and clone RFID badges, control NFC systems, and manipulate electronic devices. While favored by security researchers for testing vulnerabilities, its capabilities also make it a potential tool for malicious activities, such as bypassing security measures or cloning access cards. In the US and Canada, it is legal but closely monitored for unauthorized use. In Germany, where hacking tools are tightly controlled, its sale is restricted. The Flipper Zero is both a valuable research device and a legal risk in regions with strict tech regulations. Number 5. Nijsaku Slingshot Rifle, the most powerful slingshot. The Nijsaku slingshot rifle is a powerful, advanced slingshot designed for outdoor activities like hunting and fishing. Measuring over 40 inches and weighing 6 pounds, it features a 4-hole shooting head that can fire both steel ball ammo and fishing darts. Its sliding launching mechanism and trigger grip provide precise targeting, making it highly accurate. However, due to its power, it's banned in many areas. In the U.S., states like Pennsylvania, Georgia, and Texas prohibit its use for hunting, deeming it too dangerous. Internationally, slingshot rifles are often classified as weapons, leading to restrictions or outright bans. Despite its appeal, its potential for harm has led to widespread regulation. Number 4. AESP Talon Infinity Batons. Modernized impact weapons. The AESP Talon Infinity Baton is a modern self-defense tool, primarily used by law enforcement and security personnel. Compact and easily deployed with a wrist flick, it's highly effective in close-quarter situations. Featuring a friction lock system, the baton stays securely extended during use and is available in steel and aluminum models, catering to different size preferences. However, like many impact weapons, batons are heavily regulated. In the UK, they are illegal under the Offensive Weapons Act, and civilians are prohibited from owning them. In the US, laws vary by state, with many requiring permits. Due to their potential misuse, widespread restrictions limit civilian access to these batons globally. Number 3. Tiger Lady Self-Defense Claw. Lightweight, powerful, and collects DNA evidence. The Tiger Lady Self-Defense Claw is a unique self-defense tool designed to provide protection while also helping collect DNA evidence from an attacker. The lightweight ergonomic design fits easily in a person's hand, and when gripped tightly, claws extend from the device, allowing the user to scratch an attacker. The claws are designed with hollow channels that can collect skin or DNA, which can then be used by law enforcement to identify the attacker later. Despite its innovative design, the Tiger Lady Self-Defense Claw is banned in several countries, including the United Kingdom, where it is considered an offensive weapon. Its ability to cause injury makes it a controversial tool in self-defense, particularly because its use could escalate violence rather than prevent it. In many regions, carrying such a device could lead to legal consequences, especially if it's used in an altercation. The Tiger Lady Claw is a prime example of a self-defense tool that walks the fine line between protection and potential harm. Number 2. Taser Strike Light 2 Stun Gun with a Flashlight. The Taser Strike Light 2 is a dual-purpose self-defense tool that combines a high-voltage stun gun with a powerful flashlight. Designed for personal protection, the device allows users to temporarily incapacitate an attacker with an electric shock, while also providing light in low-visibility situations. The stun gun is activated via 2 buttons for quick and easy deployment, making it an ideal tool in emergencies where every second counts. However, stun guns are illegal in several countries, including the United Kingdom, where they are classified as firearms. In the United States, laws surrounding stun guns vary by state, with some states, such as New York and Hawaii, prohibiting civilians from owning or carrying stun guns without a permit. The combination of a flashlight and stun gun makes the Strike Light 2 a versatile tool for personal defense, but its legal status is heavily dependent on the region in which it's used. Number 1. Exothermic Technologies Pulsefire LRT, a flamethrower for defense. At the top of the list is the Exothermic Technologies Pulsefire LRT, a handheld flamethrower designed for use in emergencies and defense. Capable of projecting flames up to 25 feet, the Pulsefire LRT is a powerful tool for clearing brush, deterring attackers, or defending property. The device is equipped with a built-in arc ignitor that creates visible electric arcs to scare off potential threats before resorting to the use of fire. While flamethrowers are legal in many U.S. states, including Texas and Ohio, they are heavily regulated due to the potential for destruction and injury. In other countries, including the United Kingdom and most of Europe, owning or using a flamethrower is strictly illegal. Even in the U.S., where laws are more lenient, flamethrowers are generally seen as a last resort defense tool due to the significant damage they can cause. The Pulsefire LRT is a powerful device, but its ability to create dangerous, uncontrollable fires means it's heavily regulated across the world. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about these cutting-edge gadgets, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on more tech and gear reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which gadget caught your attention the most. Thanks for watching.